Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are learning Laravel, you might have seen the word use written at the top of files. Many beginners get confused. They will think, what is this? Why do we need it? And what are the benefits of this use word? In this video, I will explain use in Laravel in very simple English with examples that you can easily understand. So let's start. The use keyword in Laravel is like a shortcut. It helps us to import classes or files so that we don't have to write their long path again and again. Let's see with an example. So here you can see we have written use app models student. So we are importing our student model using a keyword use. So after writing, what we can do is wherever we are calling a student model, then we need to simply write the model name and its method. If we don't write use and without importing the model, we have to give a long path where the model resides. So like this, we need to give. So everywhere, wherever we are calling a student model, we need to give the long path. If we are using this use keyword, directly we are importing and we are simply writing only a shortcut. You can say we are only calling the student model and their methods. So this is the difference. It becomes shorter and cleaner. Now, where do we write use? We always write it at the top of the PHP file, just after the namespace line. So this is the namespace line, and after that, we write use. What are the benefits of use? As we have seen, no need to type the full path, so it saves time. It makes our code clean and readable, and it also avoid conflicts. Means if two classes have the same name, we can give them aliases. For example, suppose we have a controller by name student. If we have the same classes, then Lara will get confused which one to call. So here you can see an error we are getting, and here also we are getting error. So to avoid this conflict, what we can do is we can give them aliases name. How we can give? We can give as and the aliases name. So what I will do is I will give it a aliases name as students controller. Like this we can give aliases. Now I will give aliases to student also. But now you can see it is giving an error here because now to call a class we need to give the aliases name. So now we need to give wherever student is there, we need to give student model. This way Laravel knows exactly which one you are talking about. So in short, the use keyword in Laravel is simply a shortcut for importing classes. It keeps your code clean, short, and easy to manage. I hope this video made the concept clear for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Laravel tips. If you have any questions, please write it in the comment box. I will answer them. Thanks for watching.